Hi, good day, Ma'am Glolionel. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. I'm Glonel and Flores. I'm 31 years old. I'm from Alegria, Surigao del Norte. I have kids already. I have two kids and I have siblings. I have four brothers and one sisters.
All right, thank you. And then can you please tell me your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay. And then what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I'm a single mother, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm a cheerful and I'm hardworking person. I'm a loving mother also.
All right, thank you. And then why do you want to apply abroad again?
I want to apply abroad for the future of my kids, to help my family, and to buy a house for my family.
Okay. And then do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I have 5 years working experience in Kuwait.
So did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am, I finished my 5 years contract in Kuwait.
Okay. So how many employer do you have in 5 years contract?
In 5 years, I have two contracts.
So in your first contract, in your first employer, what is your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper?
My first contract, my duties are cleaning around the house, ironing, laundry, and wash the dishes.
All right. How about in your second contract?
In my second contract, I have one couple and two kids. I work as a house cleaner, wash the dishes, laundry, and ironing. Also for the kids, I make it them. Uh, we're gonna play. We're gonna. I teach them how to memorize the alphabet. We're gonna uh, help them for their studies. I can send them also in this school.
All right. Thank you. And then are you willing to take care again of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to take care of the kids and elderly.
Okay. What will you do if you become homesick?
If I become homesick, I'm gonna try my best to I'm gonna focus on my work. I'm gonna always remind myself to finish my contract and to make it myself to focus on my course in at work.
All right. Good. And then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, I'm not scared of dog and cat.
Okay. So are you willing to take care pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willingly to take care of the big dogs or cats.
Okay. And then how do you describe your cooking skills?
I don't have experience for the cooking like for the native another country, ma'am, but I know how to cook in the Filipino food like adobo, sinigang, like for the soup.
All right. So are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to learn to cook native food
All
for
right.
the another.
Okay, good. And then do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't have food allergy, ma'am.
Okay. So do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am, I eat everything, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I have a full consent.
Okay. So do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am, I'm not, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, I have, ma'am.
Is it visible?
No, ma'am, it's not visible.
Okay. And then for the last question, Ma'am Glolionel, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, ma'am. Good day. I am Glorinel N. Flores. I'm 31 years old. I'm from the Philippines. I hope you're gonna hire me as your housemate. I'm trustworthy. I'm hardworking person. I'm willing to learn your native food. I'm willing to take care of your kids. I'm become a good worker to you. I hope you hired me and see you soon.